Hi, welcome to Tempty Foods. My name is Anna, I'm a co-founder and product developer. Today we will cover basics of cooking with Tempty. Welcome to the next video where we are doing braising of Tempty. I'm gonna start by taking the first Tempty piece and cutting it into smaller chunks. So now the Tempty is inside, I'm going to let it get some crust before adding tomatoes. And I expect that to take around 5 minutes. Sounds delicious! Ta-da!